It's cool. I've never been to the Speedway before, so this will be my first time. Made it up here with the 450. Like I said, we're leaving this here tonight, and then Jake's got the any level lift with the copper wheels in the JTX booth. I want to show you guys before it gets crazy tomorrow. A couple of the builds that are up here are going to be in the KG1 booth. First set of mounted 26x16s and 405s that I've seen in person. He said they rise great, and they were joking about doing rolling burnouts in them. So I'm surprised the back tires got any tread left on them. But them 2616 Tridents with the 405 3026, y'all see that? That new tire from Fury, 405 3026 MT2 tread design is freaking beautiful. The PMF, the Fox, powder coat. Freaking beautiful. The big BDS. What is this? The Vegas, the Primacy? I can't remember. Alley Cat Off-Road with the 40s and the crazy wrap. That's freaking beautiful. Look at the grill though. Look at the new grill. The KG1 Fury grill is something nasty, bro. With the lights on it and the red. That's crazy. I like that's beautiful. That really is. There's a lot of nice stuff out here. You got a white one, purple lift kit over there, red any level lift right here. And then, can y'all see the 2023, the F250 sitting over there, poking out from behind? This is freaking terrifying. Look at this crap. Look at Hunter up there with NJ lighting though. This is terrifying. This is rough. I better put the camera down. Oh, that's so sketch. Look at this though, this is so cool. We got the 450 out here, Fury booth, KG1 booth, 450, Atlanta Motor Speedway, just in case y'all were wondering. I'll see y'all tomorrow, let's get this bread. Look, I'm messing him up. I'm messing him up. Throw him in the video, give him a hug. Yes, sir. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, baby. I had to do it.
I know go where you ain't hanging out with people.
Oh, he thought the jug was tequila?
Yeah.
That's funny.
We don't care, he didn't jug it.
We're gonna be Atlanta Truck Invasion 2023. We made it. We're gonna be hanging out at the KG1 booth. We're gonna hanging out. Follow me this way. Sorry. Opposite way. Opposite way. There we go. We're hanging out at KG1 and Fury today. If you guys see me, I hope you guys come say hey, and I'm gonna put you in the video. I'm not scared to put you in the video. Hey, and we gotta go find our buddies that we saw in the last video so we get our tequila shot. They said they had a booth by the front of the show, so we gotta go find them and get our tequila shot today. But first, I need to get something to eat. I'm getting a little hangry. So I've been told there's only one taco spot out here to get food, and I'm really upset about it. So let's go wait an hour line and figure out something to eat, I guess. Give me this, freaking weirdo. Show me the Fury on there, though. Freaking weirdo.
Fire.
My boy Jonathan, where you at? We built this one at the shop. He might be in the truck. I don't know. He might be in the truck. We put this one on at the shop a couple months ago, the FTS. With the chrome, 24s. Y'all go show some love to John. Hey! What's up, buddy? You doing all right?
Yeah, man.
I was just talking about you. I gotta show some love to my buddy that comes to the shop.
We're out here.
Hey, come on now.
Atlanta Truck Invasion
2023. Look,
yeah.
Hey, my man's always coming to the shop. I wanted to show some love. That's it.
Yeah,
you know, hey, you know we appreciate you.
What's up, man?
Fucking cops out here already, bro.
Well, there's a Philly right
Look at the lines out here though. Look, that must be the most authentic Mexican you've ever had in your entire life, because that line ain't no joke. But hey, the best steak sandwich in ATL line ain't that bad though. We about to go fire up something over here. Yeah, we gotta get some white people food, cause
nah, we can eat the Philly.
That authentic, yeah, that's more white people food than it is. No, we're gonna have to get something non-authentic. Bro, we done got some. This is the whitest, the most white people tacos I've ever seen in my entire life. That's crazy. We gotta find something better than this before we leave today. I'm gonna eat it. But I'm just saying, that's rough. What it tasting like? No? Hitting, really? I mean, it ain't terrible, but I need something better than this before I leave. I'm just saying. It ain't bad, but it ain't good, you know?
Tastes like a school lunch.
Oh, popping clutches. What you selling over here, bro? What you selling over here, bro? You doing all right?
Yeah, how are you?
What? Come on now.
Michelada.
What is it?
Michelada mix, bruh.
What's in that?
Huh?
What's in that?
Tomatoes, pepino.
Back in it, baby, just staying in town. I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with each other.
This one's definitely my favorite truck out here today. KG1 Vendors. That's really cool.
They talk like they know me, but know that they bluffing unless it's somebody that pays me. Keep minding your business, the money been printing, my nigga just gotta go.
You got. So what happened? You gotta tell me. Come on.
Apparently, I mean, you know, we got down in the burnout pit. We don't have a lot of time behind the wheel. I mean, we basically crushed the bed, so now we're letting all the fans sign it.
That's cool.
You know, everybody's showing love to it.
That's
so
cool. It's worth it for sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. Trying to hit, bro. Hey man, we linked in my boy BOWTIE once again. Hey, woo!
Yeah, here with it. Man, I'm living the dream. I can't complain.
Yes,
living
sir.
the dream. I would be nowhere without these dudes behind the camera. Y'all got to show love, subscribe, all that great stuff. Because from day one, if y'all was in Diverse Designs, y'all know. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, back then, Diverse Designs, I did run that little truck group, and this is where I met my boy BOWTIE.
Yeah. Well, none of us are in that, but
bro, it's been like 3-4 years.
hey, we done elevated, living the dream. Look, I got all love for these dudes. Y'all gotta subscribe. That's all I'm saying. Y'all gotta show love, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's the main thing I'm worried about is under here.
Yeah.
It rolled it in too.
It'll buff. Pull that thing out and ride.
A little bit of Bondo, a little bit of paint. You good.
A little bit of Bondo?
Yeah, just a little bit. It'll buff.
A little bit of Bondo.
Yeah, pull it out. Pull it out.
A little bit of Bondo? You'll be all right. Look at that right here.
Am I right? Like a girl, huh?
Yeah, let's get this bread.
Sure. Hey, we don't ever switch up, baby. Hey, been on it since day one. Yeah, I'm gonna lose the marker. I came over here just to show love to my boy Daniel.
Yeah, man.
I literally,
man.
it's been way too long. Hey, single cab Brad.
Hey,
Is that still the name? Look, I wouldn't be nowhere I'm at. Y'all wouldn't even be watching these videos if it wasn't for these dudes over here. And my boys over there talking. They're famous now. You know, they're famous now. You know.
I tell y'all, if y'all scroll down, if y'all watch this, my boy BOWTIE's videos from the first day, back when diverse design was a thing, remember? Y'all would know who we are, and you know, ain't nothing changed. We ain't changed. It's just, you know, we used to do our own thing, and we're still here.
It's still
showing love.
I wanted to come over. I know they're busy and just show love because, like I said, I wouldn't be here without these dudes. So I'm just
all love, man.
just showing
Good to
love.
see you again, bro.
And I love y'all to death. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Los Chicos. They're fucking killing it. See how far it'll go. Let's see it.
Hole in one.
For those of you that made it this far in the video, I want to give y'all a little sneak peek of the lift kit that's going on the truck in the next couple of days. I got the wheels up here that y'all can kind of see if it's not too dark. A couple of other pieces, traction bars. But I wanted to give a huge shout out to Andy from KG1. He brought me the center cap the day of the show, and I forgot to film it while I was out there. KG1's got some custom, obviously this was the test one. We got a full another set coming. But for those of you that made it this far in the video, we got a full set of color match center caps to go on the KG1 wheels with the Bread Gang center cap. KG1's been doing custom engraving for a little while, so you know when I was getting KG1s with my favorite red color, I had to get the Bread Gang logo because I can't miss out on having the Bread Gang on the wheels. I feel like that's just perfect. But for those of y'all that made it this far in the video, I love y'all. I want to give you a sneak peek. A lot of truck updates coming in the next video. Let's get this bread.